Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service. It's a somewhat nice Saturday afternoon. We have about half an hour to go until the sun sets. Well, it's an overcast day, but until we catch up with the darkness. So I have a stash of spruce, pine and tamarack behind me. That most of it was delivered last December actually, so almost a year ago. It's been sitting since, so I would say it's pretty dry, but it still has to be split. So that's what we're gonna do today, or at least some of it. And we also have some spruce trees, logs that have come from this little fun woods over there, which have taken down this summer. So that has been standing dead spruce. So this is all the lighter stuff, and all this weathered stuff, that's what got delivered last year from a tree service. So let's get into it, and we'll have some splitting fun with the, what is it we have? I've got to show you the splitter here. I like it, Canadian made. The Wallenstein, or Wallenstein, as we say it, WXR 720L. And we're gonna start with a single wedge, because as you see, most of the rounds are a little small, until we get to the bottom ones, or these guys over there. That's when we may get out the 4-way, but we may run out of day light today. And I may catch you up tomorrow. Hopefully gonna do finish that tomorrow, but there's some snow in the forecast, so fingers crossed we can finish the stash before the snow flies again. And once it starts flying again, it seems like it's gonna be cold for a little while. Okay, Rudy, enough talking. Get to the splitting action, please, will you? All right, here we go. So got the wheelbarrow loaded. I'm gonna take you over where we're gonna stack it. So first row, or like that row in the back, so we have 3 rows. The one in the back is pretty much 4 feet plus. So I'm going to, next round I'm going to start on the middle row there. We have already 1 layer there. Going to do that and then do the final one. So let's get back. So let's do one more wheelbarrow. Otherwise the light is gonna get too dark for the camera. So I'm gonna do one more and hopefully we can do another or finish this stack tomorrow before the snow comes. So one more tonight. And guys, that's a wrap for tonight, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can finish the stack tomorrow here before the snow comes. So you may be wondering why I take such a long ways, or why the stack of wood is so far from where we actually stack it over there. So that's where we stack it. So I have to go all the way around here. Obviously, once there's snow, and you have to snow blow stuff, sometimes things are not ideal. So this is what it is. And this stack here last year got just dropped off. I had to buck it up, and that's where it ended up being. And honestly, I'm still figuring out the work process in my yard for the firewood operation. So I have to admit that. So things are not ideal. Anyways, hope you have a good night, and hopefully see you in the next one. Hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you fancy. Over and out, Rudy here, and we'll see you in the next one.